James Akers here, the tie guy. I'm really excited about this video, and I'm going to tell you why. Because I finally get to wear this shirt. You have no idea what I'm talking about, so I'm getting ready to tell you about it. So I bought this shirt on sale from Neiman Marcus from my stylist Andre. Andre at the Charlotte Neiman Marcus. By the way, he'll ship anywhere in America, so if you need anything at all that Neiman carries, whether it's clothes or makeup or whatever you need, Andre can hook you up. Message me, I'll give you his contact information. But that's the only plug in there. But hey, Andre, hope you're watching this. This shirt was on sale. It's like a $500 Ermenegildo Zegna shirt. And I got it for like 80 bucks, and it was in my size. So Andre showed it to me. I tried it on, absolutely loved it, so I took it home, of course. And it's been sitting here in my closet for 3 or 4 months now, untouched. It's never been worn outside of the day I tried it on because of the color. It's beautiful, and I don't know if you can see it on here or not, but my Instagram has a close-up of it. It has some brown and almost a bluish looking squares throughout the shirt. It's really difficult to match a tie to something like this. Now some guys will just grab, any old tie, they'll just say, well, let's just throw this with it, and it may look okay right now, but when you get up close it would look absolutely terrible. So I was looking specifically for a tie that would work, and I found one. So that's why I'm so excited about this video. This tie literally came in this morning. I was planning on doing a whole other outfit, and I got a notification that the tie came in that I'd ordered, and so I immediately opened the box, took it out. I was like, yes, I get to wear this shirt finally. So today we get to wear this. This is a Giorgio Armani tie. It's handmade in Italy. It is a brown tie with like a glittery look to it. So it's a solid brown, but it's got like a sheen to it, almost like glitter built in. And it pairs so good with this because there's a brown within the squares here. And so I put that together, and I cannot wait to tie this. So this tie's never been tied before. This shirt has never been worn before. It's a spread collar, so we're doing the spread collar. That fits a full Windsor really nice because it's a little bit wider of a collar. But as far as the review goes, the silk lays absolutely beautiful in this tie. Solid color with some gleam, so it's going to pull the browns out of this shirt. Should look really good. We're pairing it with a navy suit. That way it's a neutral color. So let's tie this up and see how it comes together. Very excited about this. Now we're going to find our spot. This tie is, it's not a super thick, it's pretty thin actually. I didn't go over that with you. It's a pretty thin tie, but it's a wide tie. So it's going to take a little bit more material, so we're going to have to go probably, I'm thinking about here. Giorgio Armani does not make their ties super long, so it's hard to hit the keeper there. Let's try this out. Okay, so we take the long part of the tie over top of the shorter part of the tie, and we go underneath, up, and through. Then we come around behind, keeping everything nice and neat and nice and tight. Up, over, down, and through. Now notice with this hand here, I'm holding onto the knot through all these steps, okay? Now, I want to look at what I call the check point. I want to make sure this knot's coming together. It's really nice. This is tying a really tight knot, actually, really tight. So we'll come over the front, back in behind, up and through, and then we've created this little pocket. When we came around the front, we're going to push this down through that little pocket. Now we're going to hold onto the knot, and we're going to pull on the long part of the tie just to tighten it up. And then we're going to hold the knot and pull the short part of the tie to bring it up to our neck. And then we want to check for our length. We want this tip of the tie, this part right here, to come between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. That's our goal, between the top and the bottom. And so right now it looks like we're right about halfway down, so it's absolutely perfect. So let's bring this collar down. Let's see how it looks. Now this is going to be a little bit of a tighter knot, so the spread collar, we got to work on the symmetrics and make sure it's centered when we're wearing this. If you wear a spread collar and a tight knot, small knot, you got to be a little bit more careful with your look, okay? You see what I'm saying? See how much space we have here? Whereas a pointed collar comes down and hides a little bit. We want no gap here, so I'm going to tighten the knot a little bit more, and we're going to pull the tie up and get rid of that gap. There we go. Boy, it tied a nice knot. Look at that. Nice triangle. Absolutely perfect knot. There we go. Good job, Giorgio Armani. I just wish you made them longer, because now if we turn this around, you're going to see this will not reach the keeper. That's the problem when you have a 16.5-inch neck and you tie a full Windsor knot or a double Windsor knot. You run out of material on some of these ties. So beautiful tie, and I've said this before on my reviews. Giorgio Armani, classic products, great products, but make them a little bit longer, please. All right, and I know some of you are probably thinking buy big and tall ties. I'm not going to buy big and talls. I'm 5'10", 175 pounds, and I have a bigger neck because I work out a lot. But I'm not going to go to a big and tall section to buy my ties. So I just want them a little bit longer because I like a beautiful tie. Now let's put this outfit together, see how this whole thing comes together. I think it's going to look great. The look's going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen. I'm going to go through it with you right now. Today, we are wearing a navy blue Ermenegildo Zegna suit. So it's a navy blue Zegna suit. We're pairing that with a Ermenegildo Zegna shirt with a spread collar, and this is a shirt with like a brown checkerboard pattern throughout, a little bit of blues in it as well. And we've got that with a gorgeous, I mean absolutely gorgeous, Giorgio Armani solid brown tie with like a sheen or a glittery look to it. We're pairing that today with a light brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a silver belt buckle and a pair of Salvatore Ferragamo Oxfords in light brown. I almost went with dark browns. Like these Bally's, these Oxfords, would look really good with this tie. But I thought with a navy suit, dark tie, I wanted to go a little bit brighter on the shoes. So that's why I went with the Ferragamos. So we've got a little bit of a color break up there. It's not just all dark, okay? I like that look. I like to mix darks and lights. You know, unless I'm, you know, going somewhere where I want just a really, really dark look. But I don't want that for my Zoom calls today. I have one in-person meeting and a bunch of Zoom calls. So that's the look. On my Instagram, which is Tie Guy James Akers. Akers is A-K-E-R-S. There's going to be close-ups of the belt, shoes, the knot, the shirt, the whole outfit, the whole thing. You'll see it all together on my Instagram. So check that out, Tie Guy James Akers. I absolutely love this look. I'm so glad I finally got to wear this shirt. And Giorgio Armani, I love this tie. I am ready for work.